Hello there. You can call me Fred, but I am Frederick Newman. And in this video, I will be showing you how to swap your Metamusk token in your crypto wallet to any other crypto asset of your choice, like the Ethereum, BNB, BTC, Ripple, like any other crypto asset you want to swap your token for. I will show you how you can do that in this video in a minute from now. I actually found 4 ways you could do this. But for this video, I would only show you one of the possible ways you could successfully swap your Metamusk token to any crypto asset of your choice. But before we proceed, please click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also like my videos and turn on the notification button to always get notified of my videos once I post them up here. And I'll be doing a series of videos like this to show you how you can swap some of all these tokens to any token of your choice whenever you wish to do that. I am making this video on a different channel from my other YouTube channel because I promised you on my other channel that I would set up this new channel and do videos that I would show you how you can swap most coins that gives you that insufficient liquidity for trade error when you want to swap your token. For this video, I would show you possible way to swap Metamusk token for Ethereum. The reason why it has always been impossible to swap those tokens is because the liquidity on the token is locked, or in some cases there are no liquidity at all for the token. Therefore, it is impossible to swap it for any other asset, no matter how hard you try. You can't withdraw from a pool that doesn't have liquidity. That is one thing you need to put in your mind. Okay, and on this video, I would show you one possible way to swap the Metamusk token for Ethereum, which bypasses the liquidity error you always encounter when you try to do the swap. Most of all, these project owners intended for scam, thereby locking the liquidity of the asset, which would make it impossible to pull out from the pool. Rather, you can only contribute by making the pool more large whenever you buy either your pre-sale or you buy after lunch, you swap your other crypto assets for this coin. The money comes into the pool, but it can go out because the owners of this project actually, their aim is to elope with your funds, therefore they lock the liquidity. Though some few do that at the early stage of a project just to protect the project, so people don't just abandon and jump and run away and the project crashes. But the thing is that some of them actually do it there like that for scam purposes because they want to, scam you of your funds. So you bring the money in, you buy these tokens, you swap them with your other tokens, money comes into the pool, but you can't take it out because whenever you try to swap it for any other token of your choice, it will always prompt you with that insufficient liquidity for trade error. So you are unable to swap your token. That is actually what happens, why it is impossible to swap some of this token. But whichever way it is, good thing you've come across this video today. So I'll be showing you a little trick that you would use to swap your token successfully, and this process bypasses the locked liquidity. It will grant you access and give you the ability to take out your coin or take out your token anytime you want to take it out. All right, I will show you in this video today how to beat these dubious project owners to their game, and I'm sure you will like that because it is really very annoying. You put in your heart and money in a project, that you intend to profit from, but you just find out that you just threw your money into an endless pit and there's no way to get it back. And it's very, very annoying. And it's because of this kind of issues that I have come up with this new channel from different from my other channel. This particular channel is dedicated to making videos on possible ways you can swap out any coin, any token of your choice that's giving you issue that you cannot swap formally before now. In this video, I'll be doing series of videos on how you could actually swap all these tokens whenever you desire or whenever you like. So I will show you how you can do that from this channel. So please don't forget, subscribe to this channel now and turn on the notification button if you haven't done that so far, so you don't get left out on this tutorials or these videos on how you can get all your tokens out from all these pools that have been locked. All right, I will just proceed. And to do the swap today, I would go to my browser. Yes, this is my browser already. And open O2Swap. Yes, O2Swap. I would be showing you how to do this swap on O2Swap's website. Yes, it will be done on a website. So good thing, you don't have to download any app. You don't have to install any software or applications. You just do it seamlessly on a website. Yes, and don't worry, I would drop the link to all the sites I will be visiting in this video. I will drop them in the description below. So just go to the description below and click on the link. It will bring you straight to the O2Swap's web page where you would be swapping your Metamusk token for any other token of your choice. So, and now let me go to O2Swaps and show you how to do this without wasting more time, because I know we've really spent a lot of time in explaining some of all these things. And the reason I did that was because I want you to actually understand the problems you've been facing and what caused it. You know, when you know the cause of a problem, you now have about 50 to 90% probability of solving it. So now you've understood the reason why you were unable to swap your coin previously. But now in this video, I am going to show you how to do that and how possible it is. So I'll go to my browser and I open O2Swap. Okay, this is the site. And the first thing I'm going to do, you can see it is written there, connect your wallet and launch up. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to connect my wallet where I have Metamusk Token. I will connect it here to link my wallet with the O2Swap web page and enable me do this swap successfully. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Connect Web Wallet. And it's giving me this page which says create a new wallet. And the second one is I already have a wallet. So now what I'm going to do is I have a wallet already where I have all my crypto assets in, and Metamask token is one of the tokens I have in there. So I'm going to click on I already have a wallet. So I'm going to impute my seed phrase, but I would have to blur this out because I don't want you to see my seed phrase. I'll blow it off, I'm sorry, and impute my seed phrase. And there it is. After imputing my seed phrase, I will click on import wallet to connect my wallet to the O2Swaps interface. And wait for it to load. Sometimes this process takes a little longer because of network issues, but if you have a good network, you are sure it's going to roll like it is going here. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Oh, good, it's still going. So wait for it to load up. And once it loads up, you will be able to do the swap successfully without any delays or facing any problems, because we have actually solved the issue by bringing the swap on this O2 swap platform. Wait, almost there. And good, we are in. Now we can see my wallet is connected to this O2 swaps web page. Now, all I would do next is to click on the launch app to launch the interface where I will actually be doing the swap. I'll click on it, launch app. Good, it brings me here. You can see I already have 3.4 Ethereum in my wallet. So that is not actually what I'm going to swap. I'll be swapping by Metamusk token for Ethereum, meaning once I'm done with the swapping, my Ethereum balance it's going to increase. So let's go ahead and import the Metamusk tokens into this platform. How we do that? First of all, we change this thing from Ethereum to Smart Chain. And once that is done, we click on Ethereum here. And now we will have to import the Metamusk token into this place. And how we do that is we would have to bring in Metamusk token smart contract address and input it here. That will import the Metamusk token that I have in my wallet into this place and enable me do the swap successfully. So just watch as I do that. I will go straight to bscscan. All right. And don't worry, I will be dropping the links to all these sites on the description below. So you have no problems. Just go to the description below and click on it. It will bring you to the desired place you need to be. So here, what I'm going to do is I will click on here, the search, and search for Metamusk just to get the contract address. And there it is. So I'll go ahead and click on it. And get. So I am going to look for where the contract address is, and that is it here. So I just click on copy. Good. And then I'll go back to the O2 Swaps web page. All right, and impute the contract address here. I'm gonna do that. And you allow a search for it. Good. Here you can see we have the Metamusk showing here. Now all we have to do is to import it into this O2 Swaps web page and go on with the swapping process. And I'll click on import here. Good. Now you can see in my wallet I have Metamusk token of about 2,087,346,072 Metamusk tokens I have. And the value of this is, I think it should be about $25,000 to $30,000 for now. But that's not what we're looking at. So now the next thing is I want to swap it to Ethereum, like I said. Now you have to change this other token down here, change it to Ethereum because that's where we are swapping to. So I'll just click on that. And I'll select Ethereum. All right, good. And now the next thing to do is you could either swap all your coin if you want to. You could just select max and just swap all of them. But for me, I can take any coin I want anytime I want it. So I don't have to rush it now because I know I have the secret. And all I'm going to do is just for the purpose of this tutorial, just to take a little bit of the tokens and swap it for Ethereum. So let me say, what do I do? Should I do 50,000? 500. Oh yeah. All right, let's just make it 5 million at once. All right, I am going to swap 5 million of my Metamusk token for Ethereum, as you can see it here. Now everything's set, and when I do the swap, I would be getting about 0.2026 Ethereum added to my 3.14 Ethereum I have already in my wallet. So let's go ahead and click on swap. So we do this now. Click on swap. And then we wait and watch it do the magic. And we hope the network is still good, so it doesn't really drag us back on this. Come on. Correct. It has happened successfully. I have successfully swapped my Metamusk token to Ethereum. As you can see, the balance of my Ethereum has increased to 3.5636. And that's how the magic is done. And with this Ethereum, you can at any time swap it to any other currency you want, to any other coin you want, to any other token you want, because it's easy. Now we've moved it from the Metamusk token that has been giving us this concern all the while, and now I have it in my Ethereum wallet, giving me easy access. Anytime I want to take my coin, I can take it now. Thank you, and that will be all for this video. And for the next one, I will look for the next token that has been giving issues and provide a solution how to swap it like we've done in this one here. So that will be it for now, and thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget, subscribe and like my channel, like my videos, and also turn on the notification button so you get notified anytime I drop this kind of videos, so you don't get locked out or left behind. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I still remain one and only Frederick Newman. I'm signing out. Bye. See y'all.